It's a good question about unmarried fathers because the question bespeaks the notion of do they have somehow less rights? And in fact, they sort of do because they don't get the same presumptions. In a married couple, the presumption is that they both have a right to parent equally, okay? In a non-married couple, you don't necessarily see that. Usually a court order is necessary to get the father to be able to get parental rights. Why? Because oftentimes the mom won't participate in it. She won't agree. She won't cooperate in the process. So to protect your legal rights, you got to file a petition for parenting time, and then you'll be able to get it. Now, I'm not saying that a voluntary agreement is impossible. It's very possible to get a voluntary agreement where, the parties will work out a deal. Maybe it'll be an informal deal that works perfectly for the parties. And if informality is not comfortable for everybody, you can always file a petition and get a court to order the same deal that you worked out informally. And that helps a lot. A parenting plan helps out a lot too. If the parties get together and share and collaborate on what that plan will be, that will help out a lot. Of course, if there are disputes, you got to go to the court for enforcement. Now, we see this all the time. Somebody will have a regular parenting time schedule. Dad will be seeing the kids, let's say, on alternating weekends and maybe 1 or 2 times during the week. And all of a sudden, you know what happened? Mom gets a boyfriend. And the boyfriend says, well, why don't we have our parenting time together with my kid? And those schedules don't align. And all of a sudden, mom isn't giving up the child because they're trying to establish this, fictional family. Well, if that's the case, then dad's going to have to file an appropriate motion before the court. And then the court will enforce remedies and resolve those disputes.
248-58